Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. I'm Rupali Singh again with all of you to start my session of current affairs. As you all know that I have been teaching in various institutes earlier also, and I got selected in Allahabad High Court and I'm working as government employee over there. So due to lack of time, I wasn't available to all of you, but right now I thought that I should start my own uh, sessions for all of you because many students were demanding that, ma'am, we want your videos, we want your current affairs session. So that is why I have decided that for all your sake, I'm going to start again my sessions of current affairs, and that will be totally free of cost for all of you, and it will be available on my channel Current Affairs by Rupali ma'am. Alright, so I'm here again back with all of you. So from today onwards, we will start our daily current affairs session. And now today, that means on 10th of October, if we talk about this month, so we will firstly start the current affairs session from this month, and then we will take up a revision of all the previous months also. And today, what we are going to discuss today, we are going to discuss about our important days and themes, and I will be taking here only, that means 1st of October to 10th of October days. All right, 1st to 10th October, I would be discussing all the important days and themes and their related relevant facts. All right, with all of you. So let's start the session without any delay, and I wish that you all will like this session definitely. All right. So firstly, if I talk about 1st of October, so that means on 1st of October, what do we celebrate? On 1st of October, we celebrate International Day of Older Persons. All right. And why do we celebrate this day? We celebrate this day to raise awareness about issues affecting the elderly and appreciate the contribution that older people make to society. Alright, so we all know that older person or elder persons are very important people in our life. They play a very important role in our life. Alright, so that is why, to create awareness about those people and for the ill abuses that this society or the current society is making to them, we have this day, that is International Day of Older Persons. Alright, so what you have to remember on this day, that it was started on 14th of December 1990. Alright, and the United Nations General Assembly designed this day as the International Day of Older Persons. And the most important thing for this year, that is theme of this year 2021. What is the theme for International Day of Older Persons? This day is digital equity for all ages. Alright, what is the theme? It is digital, digital equity for all ages. Clear? This you have to remember. Alright, and here it is a very beautiful quote is written over here, that do not regret getting older because it is a privilege denied to many. So you have to remember that becoming older is very important for all of us, and it is also a privilege for all of us that is denied to many persons who died in the young age or in an early age. Alright, so now we will see our next day. What is it? On October 1st, the same day that, on which we celebrate International Day of Older Persons, we also celebrate World Vegetarian Day. Alright, what do we celebrate? We celebrate World Vegetarian Day, and it is celebrated to raise awareness about the ethical, environmental, health and humanitarian benefits of vegetarian lifestyle, as well as it is also celebrated to emphasize environmental considerations, animal welfare and rights issues, and personal health benefits to encourage people into ditching animal products. Right? And also, one thing that you have to remember over here is that we also celebrate October 1st to October 7th as the Vegetarian Week. Alright, what do we celebrate? We celebrate October 1st to October 7th as the International Vegetarian Week. International Vegetarian Week. All right. And we can say, and this vegetarian day is also, or you can say that this vegetarian diet is also known as the Pythagorean diet. Why we call it as Pythagorean diet is very interesting fact, because about you all have heard about ancient Greek philosopher and mathematician Pythagoras. Or he was an early advocate for this vegetarian diet, and that is why this diet is also named as your Pythagorean diet. All right, it is also, we call it vegetarian diet as Pythagorean diet also. Right? Actually, this pen tab is almost a new thing for me, so my handwriting is not getting good over here, but I will keep practicing it, and later on definitely I'll improve myself. All right, so I hope that it would be clear to all of you. Now we will move to our next day. Again, it is October 1st, and on October 1st, what do we celebrate? We celebrate it as International Coffee Day. All right, International Coffee Day, and it is celebrated to promote the use of coffee, and basically the hard work and efforts of these workers and people who are associated with the coffee industry are also recognized. All right, and for the first time this International Coffee Day was celebrated in the year 2015. In which country? In Milan. All right, in which country it was celebrated? It was celebrated in 2015 for the first time in Milan. All right, this you have to remember. And on October 1st, we celebrate International Coffee Day. Now we will move to our next. And what is our next slide? And it is about October 2nd, on which we celebrate International Day of Non-Violence. You all are aware that it is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of our father of nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi ji. So it is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti also, to remember the birth anniversary of our father of nation. And this year, that is 2021. All right, this would be which birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi? So you know, you should be aware about this, that this would be your 152nd birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi ji. All right, this is important fact that you have to remember, and it will be asked in your examination also. All right, so you all know very well about Gandhi ji, and he was born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. About this day, that is International Day of Non-Violence, if we talk about this day, so it was started on 15th of June 2007. It was started from 15th of June 2007. The United Nations General Assembly voted this day to establish 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. All right, and the most important question that would be asked in your examination would be that that who is the person who addressed Gandhi ji as the father of nation? This is the question that has been asked in your examination various times. So you have to remember that Subhash Chandra Bose. All right, Subhash. Now you have to remember it as Subhash Chandra Bose. He addressed Mahatma Gandhi ji as the father of nation on 6th of July 1944. All right, and again on 28th of April 1947. This is the one person. All right, and on 28th of April 1947, another person, that is Sarojini Naidu. All right, Sarojini Naidu. She also addressed or referred Gandhiji as the father of the nation. This you have to remember. All right, and some of the important books of Gandhiji that he has written is also very important that you have to remember. That is The Story of My Experiments with Truth. This is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhiji that you have to remember. Apart from this, he has also written other books like The Moral Basis of Vegetarianism and Peace, the Words and Inspiration of Mahatma Gandhi. All right. Okay. Now we will move to our next day. That is from 2nd to 8th of October. We celebrate it as National Wildlife Week. All right. What do we celebrate? We celebrate National Wildlife Week on which day on like it is celebrated from October 2nd to October 8th. We have celebrated this day. What is the aim of this day? This is to protect and preserve the flora and fauna of India. Alright, and which edition of this National Wildlife Week that we have celebrated in the year 2021? So, if we talk about the edition, so it would be your 67th edition. Alright, which is this edition. This would be your 67th edition, and the theme, the most important fact is your theme for the year 2021. And what would be its theme? So it would be your forest and livelihood, sustaining people and planet. Alright, I would be giving you the PDF also, in which you would be getting all the important days and themes separately. So here I would be just telling you that what is the theme of this year 2000 and for the year 2021. It is your forest and livelihood. Alright, forest and livelihood, sustaining people and planet. Apart from this, what you have to remember about this National Wildlife Week, alright, the Indian Board of Wildlife was constituted, and the idea of Wildlife Week was conceptualized in which year, or if you can say that from which year this National Wildlife Week was started. So it was in the year 1952, to raise awareness about the long-term goals of protecting the wildlife of India. And initially in the year 1955, the Wildlife Day was celebrated, which was later upgraded as Wildlife Week in 1957. Alright, so this is the important fact about your National Wildlife Week that you have to remember. The most important facts that you have to remember is its theme, that is forest and livelihood, sustaining people and planet, and its edition, that is 67th edition. Alright. Now we will move to our next part and next day. Next day is again your World Space Week. Alright, and World Space Week is celebrated from which day to which day? That is 4th to 10th of October. Alright, what is the relevant? Why do we celebrate this World Space Week? It is celebrated to mark the contribution of science and technology, and for the betterment of the human condition, whatever the space is making its efforts. So it is very important that you have to remember. Apart from this, World Space Week was this was your World Space Week, alright, and it was declared by the United Nations General Assembly on 6th of December 1999. Alright, on 6th of December 1999, this day was started. And what is the theme of this year's World Space Week? So it is your Women in Space. Very important for your examination, and it would be asked in your examination that when is your World Space Week celebrated? So it is celebrated from 4th to 10th of October. And what is its theme? Its theme is Women in Space. Apart from this, the day also commemorates the launch of the first artificial satellite. What is the name of your first artificial satellite that was launched in a space? So it was your Sputnik. Alright, what is it? It is your Sputnik first. Alright, and Sputnik 5 is related to your corona vaccine that is being launched by the country Russia. And Sputnik first is the name of the first artificial satellite that was being launched on 4th of October 1957. Alright, when was it is launched? It was launched on 4th of October 1957. Alright, by which country? Again, Russia. Alright, and its entry into force of the Treaty on Principles governing the activities of the states in the exploration and its use of outer space, including the moon and the other celestial bodies, on 10th of October 1967. It reached the space on 10th of October 1967. That means almost after 10 years. So from 4th of October to 10th of October, we celebrate it as World Space Week. Alright, very important fact for your examination. Next is your 4th of October. On 4th of October, you can say, or on the first Monday of October. This year on 4th of October, but always on first Monday of October, we celebrate World Habitat Day. Alright, here you can see it in a beautiful picture also. Alright, and what do you understand by habitat? Habitat means it is a place where any living being can live happily, all right, and it is suitable for their living. There should be clean air, there should be clean water, and clean food is available to all the human beings or the living beings. That is known as your habitat, and it is celebrated as World Habitat Day on 4th of October this year 2021, or every year it is celebrated on first Monday of October. Alright, and it also throws light on the condition of our towns and cities and on the basic right of all adequate shelter. The most important point that you have to remember is its theme again. Alright, and what is its theme of this year 2021? It is your accelerating urban action for a carbon free world. Alright, so what is it? It is accelerating urban action for a carbon free world. For a Alright, so this is the important fact, and it was designated in 1985. That is World Habitat Day was celebrated since 1985. The United Nations has designated the first Monday of October every year as World Habitat Day, and it was first celebrated in 1986 with the theme "Shelter is my right." Next day is your 5th of October, and on 5th of October we celebrate it as Ganga River Dolphin Day. Alright, what do we celebrate on 5th of October? We celebrate it as Ganga River Dolphin Day. On this day in 2010, a very important announcement was made. And what was that announcement? The Ganga dolphins were declared national aquatic animal of India. Alright, so you all know that what is the national aquatic animal of India. So national aquatic animal is your what? That is dolphin. Alright, and from that year it is celebrated as Ganga River Dolphin Day. In 2012, what happened? In 2012, the Worldwide Fund for Nature and the UP government jointly began the dolphin conservation campaign in the country. Alright, and what are the important steps that are being taken to prevent or conserve dolphins? So first thing is that in the year 1972, the gigantic dolphins are included under the first schedule of Indian Wildlife Protection Act, and that is your 1972. They have been declared endangered under IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature. Apart from this, they are also listed under Appendix 1 as most endangered under the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, that is CITES. That is CITES. Right? So in IUCN, it is mentioned, it is declared as endangered species, and it is also declared as endangered species and in CITES, that is Convention on International Trade in International Species. They are also listed under Appendix 2 of Conservation on Migratory Birds. And the most important fact that you have to remember is that here in Bihar, alright, the Vikramshila Ganga's Dolphin Sanctuary was established in Bihar recently, So it is also a very important fact that you have to remember, and it would be asked in your examination that where is Vikramshila Ganga's dolphin sanctuary is established. So it is it is in which place? It is in Bihar. All right. Next is your on same day, that is October 5, we celebrate World Teachers Day. All right, what do we celebrate? We celebrate World Teachers Day, and it is held annually since 1994. All right, it is held annually since 1994. Very important to commemorate the signing of the 1966 UNESCO and ILO recommendation concerning the status of teachers, which is a standard setting instrument that addresses the status and situations of teachers around the world. And the most important fact that you have to remember is its theme for the year 2021. And what is its theme? Its theme is Teachers at the Heart of Education Recovery. All right, teachers at the heart of education recovery. All right, this is the theme that you have to remember. Next is your October 1st to October 31st. All right, what do we celebrate on from October 1st to October 31st? It is a whole month, so we celebrate it as Breast Cancer Awareness Month. All right, and it is celebrated every year from 1st of October to 31st of October, and the annual International Health Campaign is aiming to increase awareness of this disease and to raise funds for research into its cause, prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and cure. And the most important fact is that you have to remember that this pink ribbon, all right, this pink ribbon is an international symbol of breast cancer awareness. All right, this is the pink ribbon that is important for that is the symbol of breast cancer awareness. All right, and there is no theme that you have to remember for this month. It is the only thing that you have to remember that this whole month is celebrated as the which day? That is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. All right, next is your World Cotton Day. All right, and World Cotton Day is celebrated on which day? That is October 7th. All right, the International Day aims to celebrate the advantages of cotton, ranging from its qualities as a natural fiber to the benefits of people obtained from its production and transformation, trade, and consumption. All right, and from which year this day was started? So it was started in the year 2019. So again, it is very important. And from which year it was started? It was started since 2019, when 4 cotton producers in sub-Saharan African, that is, there are 4 countries that has initiated this process. That is Benin. One of the country is your Benin. Next is Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. All right. Apart from this, one of the country is your Chad, and the other country is your Mali. These are the 4 countries that has initiated this day, and these are the known as the Cotton 4 also. And it proposed the World Trade Organization to celebrate 7th of October as the World Cotton Day. All right. So if I talk about World Trade Organization, which has started this day, so World Trade Organization was established on 1st of January 1995. Again, important static point that you have to remember. All right, what is where it is located? It is located in Geneva, Switzerland. All right, and who is the Director General of World Trade Organization? It is in current affairs also, very important. All right, what is it? That is Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. All right, very important. Okay. Next is your 8th of October, and we celebrate 8th of October as your Indian Air Force Day. Very important, and which is that means on That means on 2021 we have celebrated which anniversary? So it was its 89th anniversary of Indian Air Force Day, and IAF was established on 8th of October 1932 on this day. Alright, when was it established? It was established on 8th of October 1932. Alright, that means when there was British Empire ruling on us. Alright, and it was established by the British Empire as the Royal Indian Air Force. What was its name earlier? It is named as Royal Indian Air Force, and its name got changed to only Indian Air Force. That means Indian Air Force in which year? That is 1950, when our country became republic. Alright, and the most important facts about Indian Air Force that you have to remember, that it is the fourth largest. It is the fourth largest operational air force in the world. What is its motto? Its motto is touch the sky, touch the sky with glory. All right, touch the sky with glory. And sometimes it is asked in your examination that from where it was taken. So touch the sky glory, it was taken from the 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. All right, it is taken from 11th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. It can be asked in your examination, so you can remember this point also. Okay, apart from this, after independence, the Air Force took part in 4 wars with Pakistan and 1 with the People's Republic of China. It has also taken part in relief operations during natural calamities such as the Gujarat cyclone in 1998, tsunami in 2004, floods in North India, and the most important, the Indian Air Force has also been part of relief missions such as Operation Rainbow in Sri Lanka. Alright, Operation Rainbow, very important. It is related to which country? It is related to Sri Lanka. Operation Rainbow. Okay. Next is your again October 8, and we celebrate October 8 as the World Egg Day. What do we celebrate? We celebrate it as World Egg Day, and basically it is celebrated on every second Friday of October. This year it is celebrated on 8th of October, but basically it is always celebrated on second Friday of October. Alright, so this is the important fact that you have to remember. It was started since 1996. Alright, it was started since 1996, and this year was its 25th anniversary. Which edition is its anniversary? It is 25th anniversary. The day helps to raise awareness of the benefits of eggs and their importance in human nutrition. The most important is its theme that you have to remember. And what is its theme? Its theme is eggs for all. Eggs for all. Alright, nature's perfect package. Nature's perfect package. Alright, these are the facts that you have to remember regarding World Egg Day, that is on 8th of October. Next is your World Post Day, and we celebrate World Post Day on October 9th every year to create awareness of the role of postal sector in people's and business everyday lives and its contribution to the social and economic development of countries. And it is the anniversary of the establishment of Universal Postal Union, Universal Postal Union, and it was established on October 9th, 1874. Alright, and in the Swiss capital, where it is located? It is located in Swiss capital Bern. Alright, and it was declared as the World Post Day by the UPU Congress, by the UPU Congress held in Tokyo, Japan in 1969. So from 1969 we are celebrating World Post Day. Alright, so if we talk about UPU, it marks the establishment. So if we talk about UPU, it was established. It was founded on 9th of October 1874. It is situated in Bern, Switzerland. And the other important thing that you have to remember is its director, General. So who is its Director General? Masahiko Metuki. Masahiko Metuki is the Director General of this Postal, uh, Universal Postal Union. All right. Next day is again World Migratory Bird Day, and it is celebrated on October 9th this year. A very important fact that you have to remember, guys, if you are my older student, so you have learned from me that we have already celebrated World Migratory Bird Day, and it was celebrated on which day? It was celebrated on second Saturday of May. And at that time, I have told you that what was its theme? Its theme was Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird. And now again, we are going to celebrate this day on October 9th. So how is it possible? Yes, this is possible because it is officially celebrated twice a year since it started in the year 2006. All right, so it is celebrated twice a year. All right, when firstly it is held on the second. Firstly, it is held on the. All right, firstly it is held on the second Saturday of May. All right, it is held on second Saturday of May, and next it is celebrated on again second Saturday of October. Again, it is celebrated on second Saturday of October. All right, so it is celebrated twice a year. First is second Saturday of May, and next is your second Saturday of October. This you have to remember. All right, again, you know very well that in 2021 the World Migratory Bird Day, it falls on, so second Saturday was your, first is your 8th of May 2021, and next is your 9th of October 2021. On these 2 days we have celebrated World Migratory Day. And what is its theme? I have already told you in my previous session. If you have watched and if you have not seen it, then no problem. Learn over here. What is its theme? Its theme is Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird. Like a bird. Alright? Okay. Now we will move to our next day, and it is your World Mental Health Day, and it is celebrated on which day? It is celebrated on October 10th. That is, we celebrate today as the World Mental Health Day. Again, it is very important as it marked for the first time on October 10th, 1992. When was it started? It was started. We have started celebrating this day on October 1992, and the most important fact that you have to remember about this World Mental Health Day is its theme. All right, how you have to remember its theme? It has two themes. All right, why it has two themes? One is given by World Federation for Mental Day. All right, one of the theme is given by World Federation of for mental health, and next theme is given by World Health Organization. So if we talk about the theme of World Federation, what is it? It is mental health in an unequal world. All right, what is its theme? It is mental health in an unequal world. In an unequal world. And next you have to remember the theme of World Health Organization. That means given by World Health Organization. What is it? This is your mental health care. This is your mental health care for all. Let's make it a reality. Let's make it a reality. Alright, so these are the important days from 1st of October to 10th of October and their important themes that we have learned. Alright, so let's take a quick recap of all these days. On 1st of October, we have celebrated International Day of Older Persons, and what is its theme? Its theme is digital equity for all ages, that you have to remember for your examination. Next is your 1st of October. We celebrated it as World Vegetarian Day also, and 1st to 7th October is considered as your International Vegetarian Week also. Next is your 1st of October. We celebrate it as your International Coffee Day. It has no theme, so only you have to remember this point, that we celebrate 1st of October as International Coffee Day, World Vegetarian Day, and International Day of Older Persons. Alright, or you can combine it also by one trick, that is older persons enjoy two things, that is coffee. Alright, older persons enjoy two things. One is your coffee and the other is your vegetarian diet. So all these three things are celebrated on which day? It is celebrated on 1st of October. Alright, and it is very easy. 2nd of October, what do we celebrate? International Non-Violence Day, and it was 152nd Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti also. Next is 2nd to 8th October, and from 2nd to 8th October we have celebrated National Wildlife Week. What is its theme for the year 2021? Its theme is Forest and Livelihood, Sustaining People and Planet. Next is 4th to 10th of October, World Space Week, and what is its theme for this year? That is Women in Space. Alright, again very important, women empowerment. From women empowerment you can remember its theme. What is its theme? That is Women in Space. Next is 4th of October, or you can say first Monday of October. Alright, first Monday of October we have celebrated it as World Habitat Day, and its theme is Accelerating Urban Action for a Carbon-Free World. Next is 5th of October. We celebrate it as Ganga River Dolphin Day. It is dolphin, that is the national aquatic animal of India, and it is declared as the national aquatic animal in the year 2010. Again, next is 5th of October, that is World Teachers Day, and what is its theme for the year 2021? Teachers at the heart of education recovery. Next is your 7th of October. We celebrated 7th of October as World Cotton Day. We celebrated 8th of October as Indian Air Force Day. We celebrate 8th of October, or you can say 2nd Saturday of October, as World Egg Day. And what is its theme this year, 2021? Its theme is Eggs for All, Nature's Perfect Package. Next is 9th of October. We celebrated it as World Post Day, and what is its theme? Innovate to Recover. And next is 9th of October. That means 2nd Saturday of October, or 2nd Saturday of May also. That is on 8th of May. We celebrated it as World Migratory Bird Day. And what is its theme for the year 2021? Its theme for both the days is what? That is Sing, Fly, Soar Like a Bird. Next is 10th of October. We celebrated 10th of October as World Mental Health Day. And what is its theme? Its theme is Mental Health in an Unequal World. And lastly, you have to remember that October is celebrated as the Breast Cancer Awareness Month also, and we celebrate Breast Cancer Awareness Month from 1st of October to 31st of October. So these are the important days and themes that we have talked about in detail also. I have given you all the facts related to all the days, and I have also given you in short that what are the days and their important themes that you have to remember for your examination. Alright, so that's all for today's session. Please do not forget to like the session. Alright, do not forget to like the session, share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy the session and learn from it. And do not forget to subscribe the channel. Alright, and thanks for watching. That's all for today. We will come back again with most of the important current affairs session again. So be with us, be regular, alright, and watch all the session. Definitely you will be benefited from this session. Alright, so thanks for watching. Thank you very much.